My name is Bryan Leek, and I am an orthopedic surgeon who specializes in sports medicine, particularly problems with the shoulder, elbow, hand and wrist, as well as the knee. I am currently involved in taking care of the San Diego Padres, including the minor league teams that are spread out throughout the country. And I will regularly travel to Arizona and help take care of the farm system. Taking care of professional sporting teams and high-level athletes is a great privilege, and it's fun to be a part of. And it really helps incorporate new ways of treating players and ultimately patients in my practice, because everyone has different needs and different goals, and surgery might not be for everyone, and non-operative treatment might not be appropriate for everyone, and it's finding the right balance and letting the patient be involved and collecting data and being mindful about the diagnosis and treatment options. I value athletics personally. I tell my patients that being athletic helps overall mental and physical health, and it's generally one of the things I try to advise patients to continue to do. I personally have 2 young children, so activities have been broad, from revisiting baseball, playing tetherball, basketball. When I have time alone and I'm not with my kids, I generally run and I surf. And now my kids are starting to surf, which is a great experience for me.